dry today. It wasn't dry on the way out, but it's drier now. Whee! Stuff flying around. Right, okay, junction.
big valve head on this and twin carb setup, and that had 90 out of it, no problem, and it had more out of it. So yeah, here we go. Wee bit of wheel spin. To the red line and on we go. To the red line. Yeah, look at that, it's fantastic. First, second year, and that's where the fun is. That's literally where the fun is. Oh yeah, brake because we want to get in it. Wee, can't find it, grind it. And here we go. Well, it's running busy here today. Everybody wants to go to the pub on a Friday. Right, I'll finish the video here. That probably gives a couple minutes of footage. And like I said, I'll do more of these. I will get a GoPro and stick it on my face and all that, and do the old POV and all that jazz, all the trendy shit. But in time.